This is the Impromptu Tactical Pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Write-in-the-Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the Impromptu Tactical Pen.
This is the Schrade SCPEN9BK Tactical Pen, one of 3 models in the SCPEN9 series. Ruggedly handsome as well as practical, the SCPEN9BK is a writing instrument you can count on in the face of challenging conditions. Made from aircraft-quality CNC machine 6061 T6 aluminum, the pen offers the ease of a push-button rollerball ink pen with a nearly indestructible barrel. Click the push button to instantly deploy the smooth writing tip. The pen uses Schmidt Parker Style 9000M refills and comes with a black ink cartridge installed and ready to write. The grooved and ribbed black barrel of the SCPEN9BK offers a comfortable grip. To retract the tip, simply click the push button once again. Access and replace the ink cartridge by unscrewing the silver protective tip at the end of the barrel. Remove the tension spring and position it over the point of the replacement cartridge. Drop the cartridge into the barrel of the SCPEN9BK color-coded plastic end first. Screw the silver protective tip back onto the barrel. A sturdy spring tension clip bearing the familiar Schrade trademark secures the pen to your pocket or clip to pack or gear. At a length of just over 5 inches, and weight of 1.6 ounces, the SCPEN9BK is a tactical pen crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. Find the black SCPEN9BK together with the blue SCPEN9BL and gray SCPEN9G online or at your favorite local retailer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, visit Schrade.com.
XBT Scribe pen features an aerospace-grade aluminum body built for durability and dependability. The pen features an illuminated tip that activates with the click of the pen, or can be locked off to ensure you don't accidentally leave it on. The pen measures 6.5 inches and features a spring steel pocket clip and includes a AAA battery and black medium point ink cartridge. The XBT Scribe pen, only from 511 Tactical.